Hello world, this is your math tutor Anju and today we'll be tackling the basics of exponents. So, what is an exponent? When a number is multiplied by itself repeatedly, it can be written in an exponential form. Let's look at an example. Here, 2 is a number that is getting multiplied repeatedly and it's been multiplied 4 times. Now this can be written in an exponential form which looks something like this. 2 returned with a superscript of 4. Here 2 is called the base and 4 is called the exponent, par or the index. In an exponential form, the base would be the number that is getting multiplied repeatedly and the exponent, par or index would be the number of times the base is multiplied. And we would read this as 2 to the power of 4 or 2 raised to the power of 4 or the fourth power of 2. Let's look at some more examples. 5 multiplied repeatedly for 4 times can be written in the exponential form 5 to the power of 4. Here 5 would be the base and 4 would be the index or the exponent. Similarly, y times y can be written as y to the power of 3. Here, y is the base and 3 is the exponent. One last example with a negative integer 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 can be written as negative 4 the whole power 2. Here, negative 4 would be the base and 2 would be the index. We have already seen that a number, say 4, with a power of 7 can be read as 4 to the power of 7 or 4 raised to the power of 7 or the 7th power of 4. Some powers have special names. Let's look at numbers with a power of 2. For example, 7 raised to the power of 2 can also be read as 7 square or 7 squared. Similarly, y raised to the power of 2 can be read as y square or y squared. Numbers with a power of 3 also have a special name. For example, 11 to the power of 3 can also be read as 11 cube or 11 cubed. Similarly, a to the power of 3 can be read as a cube or a cubed.